5 first aid.
5.
Do you want?
Yeah, in
6.
here. In here.
6.
You see?
No! No!
uh,
No!
how many did you have? How many do you have now? First. Oh no!
Oh, sorry. It's not my intention. No, okay.
So you went to throw that and you shot me instead?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Drop, close, 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 close. Let's go, let's go.
That's not close.
Yeah, it's close here.
We'll take bike.
165. And another on left. Have 2 drops. You drive?
Okay.
165. More for left. Left.
I don't know where this one is. I saw one over that way.
Left.
You tell me where.
Yeah.
Oh,
Left.
that was close.
Yeah, I know. Now we are full. Oh yeah.
Ah, same gun.
Same gun.
Ah,
Oh shit.
stupid. Get him, Fabi, get him.
Oh
I
shit.
hit him twice. There, not. Got one.
Where the other guy?
In the rock.
In the rock?
Yes. See?
Car behind us.
He's coming. Got him. He's dead. He's dead.
Good shot, good shot. Good job. Now, oh,
115. 2 guys.
running to the bush with you. 1, 2, 3, and I down.
This one. I throw one too.
Moving. More for the left. I have one grenade.
Okay. I have 2. Where is he, Fabi?
Where is this guy? Move to him.
You see?
I move more for left and you more for right.
Yeah.
And 4, 3, 2, 1,
Ready?
go.
Right here. Yeah, we got him, Fabi. Chicken dinner.
Oh,
Alright.
hallelujah. Hallelujah.